Good morning, everybody. We are still getting ready for seeding. We're about a week away yet. Today is April 26th. The drill is still parked inside the shed. It's hooked up to the tractor, but still parked inside. The other tractor is hooked up to the harrows, so those are ready to go. We got the water trailer out, working on that a little bit, tuning that up. But this morning we are getting another load of urea, so have to get some trucks and the conveyor in place. We actually had a little thunder shower last night. I don't know how much rain we actually got, but probably a few tenths. You can hear the gutters still running off the shed. It's not usually in April that you get a thunder shower, but there was one crack that was pretty loud. Watching the Oiler game win while that was going on. It is still a little bit greasy in the yard this morning. Might have to get the harrows out, drag some stuff around. And this truck is sitting in water, so let's get him out of there. We are transferring this urea straight from truck to truck because that is soon just going to go straight into the drill, so we don't really need to put it in the bin. Oh yeah, this is going to do a nice job. Nice and wet. Don't want these semis packing in the rock. That'll make a nice pad here. My dad always says that this is the #1 job on the farm. If you're dragging the yard, you are the highest on the totem pole. There's nothing higher than this. And right below this is a combine operator. Conveyor out. Don't want wheat in the fertilizer. We can help it. Geez, it looks like still. I think that's pretty good. Set up for whenever the fertilizer shows up. Now this auger we use for treating wheat seed. Usually we like to rinse this guy out to get out anything that may be living in the auger over the winter. And I know the perfect spot for that. There. Nothing fell out, and now it's nice and clean. The water trailer isn't greased yet, and it's not too muddy under there, so we'll crawl around and give this guy a few shots. And now the fertilizer's here, because I can hear it. Fill this stratum, first compartment of this stratum up, and this will sit until we seed canola, and then the rest of that super beet will go in our super beet. That's one compartment full. She's full. Now we're gonna pre-treat some wheat so we don't have to do it while we're seeding. I might save a little bit of time. So we're just getting stuff organized. Got the little seed treater auger out. Feeling up this guy. Okay, first load is being treated. We got good even color. Got 2 augers going. With these really cold soil temperatures, I think it's important to treat this wheat, protect against soil and seed-borne diseases. We were in the field the other day and still snow in the trees and still ice on the sloughs. So with these cold temperatures, I think it's important to treat at least this early wheat. And then we're gonna store this in the bin, so when it's actually time to seed, we'll just pull it right out of the bin and it'll already be treated. I gotta change the PTO. It's always a humbling task. Decent color on this guy. I think next batch we might bump up the seed treatment even more. Load number 2. I've been dethroned.